Alright, update on Smooth Love Potion. So we've just been rejected from the 618 today. We've also been rejected from this previous high. So if you've been watching my previous videos, I've basically outlined these two levels here between 215 and 210. Now I've been making videos about this coin since we were all the way up here. And I've basically been calling these as the most important levels. You can see once we did break below it, it was strong resistance, and it has been strong resistance ever since then. So what to look for now, like I said, this coin isn't really the type of coin or token that comes back and backtests the 786 on a breakout. I mean, maybe we can find this looks like it might have done. So yeah, this one time we did backtest. This time we just went straight up and straight down before making new lows. So most of the time when we do rally, we don't return to the 786. I'll just try and find a few more examples to see if potentially I could be wrong, or that's just some recency bias. This time we smashed right through the 786 and then fell off the table. And then obviously this time here, we've fallen through the 618. So in my opinion, this is really our last line in the sand now at 150. I don't see a world where we don't come back and backtest this at least. But do bear in mind, I think we've already pretty much backtested this. But considering the selling volume that we've got coming in right now, how the RSI has double topped, and everything else that's going on right now, this coin is very pumpy and dumpy. I do think that we have at least a 20% dump in the mix. So if you've been watching my videos, I've been saying for this coin I would need to see a bounce, a strong bounce on 215 before I personally do get out of bed for this coin. And we never saw that. So we broke below the 618, so I'm still sitting on the sidelines. I've saved myself pretty well, to be fair, because I mean we were all the way up here and a lot of people were screaming for the moon, and we've been slashed by over half the amount since then. So what I find more likely, if I am very certain at least that we would be coming back down to here to backtest. This is really our best case scenario of holding the 786 now. In my opinion, I think it's probably more likely that we're going to start backtesting these lows, which is a 54% drop. So I mean, all in all, we can talk about this big drop coming once we do break below the 786, because that would be a huge short position that I would love to enter. In the short term, let's keep an eye on this level here. So we're already heading down to it, but in my opinion, I think we have another 20% of the way down to go. So if we just see what the money flow index is saying. Money flow index is just kind of hanging out. There's not too many buyers or sellers in this coin, simply because I think the market cap is fairly low for this. So we are coming down. I mean, the money is already all flowed out of this coin. It's been dumping since the 10th of February. People have been exiting this, and we've been outlining in my videos this triple top on the money flow indicator and why I think it's going to come all the way down to this 20 level. And on the RSI, I outlined this double top and why I think it's going to come down to 30. So if we do just peek at the RSI right now, it looks like we're turning down. In my opinion, we still do have a steep drop incoming. So that's why I'm kind of leaning towards this big drop down here, 54% drop, instead of just coming down like a little 19%, because this coin is very volatile. I do believe the RSI has topped so disgustingly on the daily. I do find it very likely that we're going to come down to at least 30. So that's pretty much all I see. Keep an eye on 157 as your last line in the sand. If we do lose 157, then boy, it's going to get very ugly for this coin very quick. So still sitting on the sidelines, still not touching this coin until we do see a market reversal. We did kind of anticipate that coins like this were going to be underperforming against Bitcoin, because we've been talking about the Bitcoin dominance going on a rally. So that's basically all I see for SLP. Once again, none of this is financial advice. Best of luck to you if you are holding this coin. Cowboy out. Peace.